Activity Factory. This is a song-based lesson plan for online teaching. However, it can be modified for face-to-face classes as well. For this lesson plan, we are featuring the song Match in the Rain by Alec Benjamin. For detailed instructions, PDF, answers and free downloadable materials, check the links in the video description. Step-by-step lesson plan. Part 1. Quotes. Step 1, 2 minutes. Show slide 1 with the 3 photos, and ask your students if they know the people. Step 2, 3 minutes. Click slide 1 to show the quotes. Students read them. Check their understanding.
One good thing about music is when it hits you, you feel no pain. Bob Marley. If I were not a physicist, I would probably be a musician. I often think in music. I live my daydreams in music. I see my life in terms of music. Albert Einstein. Music is the strongest form of magic. Marilyn Manson.
Step 3, 5 minutes. Pair work, breakout rooms. Students talk about the questions. 1. Do you agree with the quotes? Why not? 2. Which one is your favorite? Why? Step 4, 10 minutes. Back to the main room, students share their ideas with the class. Have all students participate and ask questions like, do you agree? What do you think? Etc. Part 2, sentences. Step 5, 7 minutes. Show slide 2 with the 3 sentences. Tell them they're from the song Match in the Rain by Alec Benjamin. Ask them if they know the singer or his songs. Have students read the sentences and check if they know the vocabulary. Show the slide with 3 photos with speech bubbles. Have students talk about the pictures. Step 7, 7 minutes. In pairs, breakout rooms, tell students to match the sentences and the photos. They have to come up with an explanation to why the person/animal is thinking that. Step 8, 10 minutes. The pairs share their ideas and explain why. Step 9, 3 minutes. Based on the 3 sentences, ask students to say what kind of music they think it is. Sad, happy, musical genre, etc. Play the music video for them to check their ideas. Part 3. Interactive Worksheet. Step 10, 10 minutes. Share the link to the interactive worksheet with the use of English Part 2 exercise. Cambridge English, first. Students think of a word to complete the blanks. Then, listen to the song and check their answers. Subscribe for more useful videos. Visit songactivityfactory.com. Thank you for watching.